Hello gang, welcome back to another unboxing video. This time, as you can see, this is from Heller, and it's the 1/125th scale Boeing 737. And if you haven't noticed from all the other videos, this is one of my favorite, if not the favorite of mine for my commercial airlines. The 737. Classic design, distinct. Yeah. Sorry about all this noise here, but I'm at work on the break room on my break, so I thought I'd do an unboxing on this since I just got it in the mail. But anyways, moving along, so here's the box art, which is really cool. Another box suitable for framing, because with this one you can just like cut out the main picture or take it to a print shop and have it enlarged or something. So anyways, as you can see here, there's two options for liveries: Air France and Lufthansa. Some information there on the box for you guys. And for those of you that are interested, this is kit number 454. Same picture there. Same thing on the other side. Alright, so that concludes the box art. Now let's go to the nitty gritty. Let me see if I can block the background so you guys can see the actual pieces here. So as you can see, we'll start off with the wings, and the detail is pretty good on these. Of course, the veins here on the wings for the vortices, cancellation or whatever. I still need to look on Google and find out what the names of these pieces are exactly, but I think they're the veins to reduce vortices on the wings from the airflow. Oh, come on. But they look okay, but yeah, they could have been better, I guess. But I think this kit is from, oh gosh, no, I'm not even gonna say the date on it. I can't remember, but the detail looks pretty good. A bit thick on the control surfaces there, but yeah, it's no big deal. If anything, it'd probably be easier if you want to set these up in the down position. But otherwise, pretty good, pretty good. Moving along to this other side, on the bottom part of the wing, nice detail, and you can see it has a location to put in the actuator pieces there for the flaps and for the engine. Not too bad. Then we have the top half, I think, of the vertical stabilators. Good detail. And move to the bottom. Okay, hold on a second. Yeah, this is the top parts. And again, pretty decent panel lining. Might need to sand it down a bit on the edge here, right there, but it looks good. Alright, next piece, got another wing there. This will be the right one, bottom and top, same thing, good detail, raised and scribe panel lining there. And then this area here we have pieces for the wheel well covers. I'm guessing these are for the if you're gonna have the wheels in the up position, and lowered position. I think these are for the front landing gear. And then we have engines here, and a bit scuffed up on there. There we go. Basic detail, but otherwise good. Not too bad. And that's it for that sprue. Alright, on to this one. Oh, look at that body. Let me see how big this is. Hold on a second. For 1/125th scale, this is gonna be roughly. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. It's gonna be roughly about 23.5 centimeters long. So not too bad. Decent size. And of course you can see nicely detailed too. Raised panel lines. But you got open windows. Sharp molding. I don't really see any flash noticeable. Well, I mean, maybe a little bit right there, but you're gonna be sanding that once you join the pieces together anyways. So looks good. Then we got control surfaces, actuators, and engine detail parts. And let me turn this around. Then you have pieces for the drivetrain. There you go. And the pieces are actually well molded. I don't see any offset for the two halves being joined together. Maybe a little bit of flash, but nothing serious. Not too bad. And then of course the fan blades for the engines right there. Sharp detail there. Nice. Very nice. And then we have this piece. And this one doesn't have the antennas molded on here, so they're on the other half. And look at that. Even detail there around the wing area. Like rivets or something. Nice. Pretty good detail. Probably out of scale maybe, but still looks good though. Some scuffing on there, but no big deal. Good detail. Even on the doors you can see the latches there to open them up. Nice. Then you have here the pylons for the engines, I think. Yep. And then over here, the main drivetrain wheel wells, and of course the wheels themselves. Nicely detailed. Maybe not the small ones. I don't see, oh sorry, not the small ones there. I don't see really detail on there, but it's alright. So yes, okay. And last but not least, the clear parts. So as you can see there, they're pretty clear. Nice. Then you got the clear piece for the cabin windows. So that's cool. easier to glue. And now let's get to the instructions. But for this, let me show you the decals first. And that's what you get. They're a bit yellowed, but otherwise pretty good. Thin too, and these are they still seem serviceable. But yeah, I don't know. Looks can be deceiving. But anyways, let me move the camera around so I can show you the instructions. Okay, hold on a second. So here we go. Nice one sheet, exploded view. So they look good though, easy to read. And of course in the front you got all the instructions and information in French. And on the other side you have everything in English, and German. So, nice set of instructions, I think. I like it. Alright. So, one more thing, let's do a little test fit here. At least for the main fuselage. Let's see how these pieces fit. So, let me just remove these from the fret. And let's see how they fit. Give me 1 second here. And let's see. Get a glimpse of how the fit of this kit is gonna be. Alright. Okay, I think that's good enough for now. Just wait a second. Let me clean up the part a little bit more. Sorry about the out of focus there. There we go. And the plastic isn't pretty sturdy. Not too soft and not too hard. So it should be real easy to glue together. Okay, bear with me here. Let me just clean off the nubs here real quick so we can get a better fit. Okay, that should be good enough. Alright, so let's see how this is gonna work. Oops. Don't want to break off the antennas here. Ooh, that one's about to break already. Dang it. Alright, so I guess I'm already having issues trying to get these parts together. Okay. Alright. I'm having issues. I need an extra pair of hands. Okay, so well, the joint here on the tail is pretty good. Once you get it in pieces together, which seem kind of hard to align here. So I'm gonna have to make some I don't want to say firewall because that's not what they are. Some bulkheads in the inside to keep the shape from collapsing on itself, I guess. I don't know if that's the right term. Because otherwise, and use some tape maybe to hold the pieces together. But I mean, as far as joining the pieces together, it seems like it matched really well, but getting them together is the challenge here. So I'm gonna have to scratch build some bulkheads to help me align the pieces together. So yeah, there we go, test fitting. Yes. So anyways, it looks like they're gonna fit together nicely. No real seam lines here, but like I said, might have to use some tape to hold pieces as you go along, or maybe scratch build some bulkheads to keep the pieces from going into each other. So there we go. I hope this review helped you all. If you find this kit or you're interested in it, that's what you're gonna get or what you're gonna be dealing with. All right. I mean, everything was in the bag. It's like brand new, really. But I just opened it up to ease with the unboxing. So there you go. You guys like the 737, and you like the brand Heller, and you like a kit that's a little bit bigger than 1/144th. This might be a kit for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you on the next unboxing. Bye bye.